In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept credit card payments with PayPal step by step. By the end, you'll have PayPal set up so customers can pay you with a credit or debit card, even if they don't have a PayPal account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official PayPal website. Make sure you're on the real PayPal domain before you sign in. On the homepage, click Login in the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. If you use two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that as prompted. After logging in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, which is the hub for your account. Next, access your account settings. Click your profile name or the profile icon, then choose Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Inside Account Settings, look for the section labeled Website Payments. This is where you control how customers can pay you during checkout. To enable credit card payments, click Website Preferences, then select Update to edit your payment settings. Scroll until you find the setting called PayPal Account Optional, sometimes referred to as Guest Checkout. Toggle this option on. Turning this on allows customers to complete their purchase with a credit or debit card without creating or logging into a PayPal account. It streamlines the checkout experience and can reduce cart abandonment, especially for customers who prefer not to sign up for anything extra. Before you rely on this feature, take a moment to verify your account. Make sure your email address is confirmed so PayPal can send payment notifications and receipts properly. Also confirm that your PayPal account is fully verified. Verification helps PayPal ensure you're a legitimate seller and enables secure credit card processing. Depending on your region and account type, you may see prompts in your dashboard guiding you through any remaining verification steps. If you don't see the guest checkout option yet, it's often related to verification status or local availability, so completing verification typically resolves that. With those settings saved and your account verified, your PayPal account is now set up to accept credit card payments. From here on, customers will see a guest checkout option and can pay directly with their card, which can make checkout faster and help increase sales by meeting buyers where they are most comfortable. That's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.